Oscar, what's up, bud? I am excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by EA. More to come on them later. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. The new supercar, boys. It might be revealed in today's video. I guess it depends on the title and the thumbnail. Either A, the title and thumbnail is the new supercar, or B, it's not. And if B, it's not, that means the deal's not finalized. There's still a lot of like things going on in the background. So the car is here in Utah. Like, I've seen the car. It's 20 minutes that way. I've sat in the car. I haven't turned the car on. I have not driven the car. And why that is for me to know and for you guys to find out. But we got a bunch to do today. We're headed up to Park City. The Supra is done. Not like done, but like done. And we're dropping off the Aventador because the Aventador is also going to be at SEMA. And there's a couple like imperfections that need to be fixed. And then also, I am not showing up to SEMA in a fishbowl. It's not going to happen, boys. The black Lamborghini Urus right there. Look at, he didn't even notice me. Are you kidding me? He did not even notice the Aventador. I don't know why I'm triggered, but usually there's like a Lambo connection, but these Urus owners, they're not real Lamborghinis. I don't know how else to say it. They're just not, they're not. The Urus is definitely cool looking, but at the end of the day, like, it just doesn't have the passion or the soul of like an Aventador. I like the Lamborghini Urus, and if the Urus sounded like a V12 Aventador, I'd probably own one, but it doesn't. It has a twin-turbo V8 that kind of sounds sort of okay. Imagine a V12 swapped Urus. If I had like unlimited resources, I'd make it happen, but unfortunately, I don't. I have this. I don't want to get caught overhyping the new supercar. It is not. I repeat, it is not a Lamborghini Murcielago, and it is not, unfortunately, an 054 GT. And also, unfortunately, the car that I did buy is not as cool as either of those. It is still a very, very cool car. I don't want to underhype it. It's a cool car, but it's not quite as cool. And if you guys try to guess, like, trust me, you're never going to get it. We're welcome to Park City, and welcome to Summit Auto Lab. Hey.
What's up?
Perfect timing, I just dropped it.
Whoa, it looks
So good, Sal. It looks so good. Whoa, guys, check this out. Custom emblem compliments of Clayton at Summit Auto Lab. That looks so good.
Yeah, doesn't it?
That is really cool. That contrast with the mirrors is sick. That is so cool. Whoa.
Nobody else has something like that.
There's not a Supra with the green one?
Really.
There's not a Supra with the green one. That's what you're saying.
There's no.
At least not yet. At least not yet. There probably will be soon, but not right now, boys. This is the first in the world. I don't want to keep flexing on you guys too hard, but I got another new pair of kicks, and these ones are leather, but check that view. This car looks so good. Like, the red was cool, but the purple just has like a special presence about it. I'm weird, I get it that I'm weird, but like the three cars together, boys, it's gonna be like unprecedented. It's gonna be sick. I've been waiting for this moment for so long. No way, are you kidding me? Like, that might be the sickest thing I've ever seen, and the Gladiator's not even here. Dude, Clayton, like, look at that. That is so sick. Whoa. Thank you.
It's gonna look. Oh, I don't want to leave you hanging. There we go.
A couple key notes. First and foremost, do not judge the wheel gap right now. Obviously the fenders have been cut. The wide body kit, it has now officially been 2 weeks. Clayton can start wrapping it here very, very soon. Also, look at that. You see, boys, that's how you get the thumbnail. Right there, right there. The purple looks so good though. I know there was a lot of doubters, a lot of haters, but you got to admit, like, that's pretty sick. So it's now been officially 2 weeks, so Clayton can finally start wrapping the wide body kit. The paint is cured, so he's gonna start doing that right now, but I'm actually taking the Supra today because the air ride, the air management is gonna be installed at Makes and Models. I cannot get over the color of that Supra. It looks so good. What? Okay, so I'm actually just moving the Aventador right there, and Clayton's gonna wash it. No way, no way. There are heroes in this world, and then there is fate. The most heroic individual. Hungry Howie's? No way.
You've had Hungry Howie's,
I
right?
never had Hungry Howie's. I've been waiting for this moment my entire life.
I thought we had it with you once.
No, we haven't. You've talked
well,
about it on and on and on and on. I've never gotten the invite. I don't know if that's by design or...
Already.
Whoa! That's all right. Thank you, Faith.
You're welcome.
Look at that sense of satisfaction and glory. He's got a birthday tomorrow. Clayton, happy birthday.
This is it right here.
No, this isn't.
Hungry
We got
Howie's.
plans, don't worry. We are leaving the event door here at Summit Auto Lab. Depending on your perspective, this might trigger you, but the fishbowl is no more. Dun, 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 dun. And then also the wide body kit is still black. Clayton's gonna be wrapping that, but we're taking the Supra to make some models. We're getting the air ride, the air management, and we will be back, I think, in 2 days, maybe. The purple has completely exceeded my expectations. The Supra, it just gives the car that special look that the red was missing. The purple looks amazing. I cannot get over how good it looks. Like, it has this chrome finish to it. It looks so good. I can see on the screen, it's not doing it any justice. So today is Monday. I'm gonna see you guys on Tuesday in 3 seconds. So Tuesday's in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, Tuesday. Good morning, it is a new day and it is a cold day, but we got some good news, guys. The new supercar, it's ours. It is 100% ours. The car's actually here at Makes and Models. We're not gonna reveal it in today's video because there is a pending snow apocalypse about to descend on the state of Utah, and this might be the world's worst car to drive in the snow. So I'm gonna post some Instagram story teasers. Go check it out. We might see the car in the background of today's video because it is in the building. We might not though, more to come. The day has finally arrived. We are going low, boys. We are installing the airbags, the air ride, the air management on the GR Supra. The purple looks so sick. We got the 360 getting its engine out right now too. Scratch that, transmission out. The engine is still in, check that out. Manual 360 right there. What is it? I don't know what that is. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot with a bunch of experts right now. But this is from Universal Air, and these are the new airbags.
Another airline.
Ty is freaking out over the airline. We got airbags though, bro. Look at that airbag. That is sick.
So watch that.
This is the touchpad to air up and air down. Oh, we're gonna have to take a couple moments of silence for the Supra because, boys, we are gonna be riding low soon. The air ride is cool, but just wait until you see the air tank from AccuAir. Dun dun dun, whoa. That looks so cool. So it's finished here in anodized black. So this is gonna sit in the rear boot of the Supra, and this is what controls the air ride. Looks so good. That black looks amazing. So what's so cool about this air tank, the compressor is actually inside, and so like it is gonna be squeaky quiet. Squeaky quiet, that didn't make sense. It's gonna be very, very quiet. Somewhere in today's video, you have seen my new supercar. Now, I'm not gonna tell you which car it is. I'm not, trust me, I am not. There is no reason that this GT3 RS is roped off. That is not signaling that this is my car finished in lizard green. I did not, I repeat, I did not buy a GT3 RS. Well, I mean, maybe I did. That's for me to know and for you guys to find out soon. Dude, look at that sweeping technique right there. Are you kidding me?
You gotta do it sometimes, man. You gotta make
Man. One of these cars, boys. One of these cars is the new supercar, but which one is it? It might be over there, though. So we got the factory strut with the Universal Air airbag, and that just replaced this factory spring. So we still maintain the factory ride settings and everything.
Yeah.
It's pretty sick.
It's gonna be a lot lower.
A lot lower. A lot lower. We have some good news and we kind of sort of have some bad news. The good news, the front two airbags have been installed. The bad news, I have to leave actually. Massive shout out to AccuAir, Universal Air, and Icebox Customs. The Supra is gonna be so sick when it's done. So we're gonna come back to Make Some Models tomorrow, pick it up, race up to Park City, install the wide body kit, and then back to Make Some Models on Friday for wheels and tires. So lots to do. We are getting there, boys, though. SEMA is never, ever, ever gonna be the same. Yeah, I don't know why we're looking at this, but we are. We got the keys to a 911 C4S. Now we're rolling. This is sick. This is properly sick. All right, so we are headed that way. We got this 650S right there. But check this out, I got my logo on the trailer. How sick is that? My new Gladiator wheels and tires just arrived, but the wheels are being powder coated white right now as we speak. Also, I think this is the first time there's ever been a Porsche in the garage, I think. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Need for Speed Heat. And check this out, my Lamborghini Aventador is actually featured in the trailer. We're gonna play the trailer here very, very soon, but the game releases worldwide on November 8th. You can pre-order it today. There's a link in the description below. I spent my entire childhood playing Need for Speed, and now my own car is in the trailer. Guys, check it out.
This is the playground, the one they think they control. But when we create, they can't look away. They have to see. So I say watch. This is me.
In the Jeep, bumping low, pretty flocker with the prayer hands. I said it once and I'ma say again. You roller coasting in Vegas, man. I'm the closest to the greatest. That statement is daily debated. I'm slaughterhousing on the pavement. Tell Charlamagne that we just made it. You can't even catch on my cadence. It's just cause you faded.
Street racing has no place on public roads.
Feel like I'm...
If you are out there engaging in this type of activity, we will find you. There is no escape.
I feel like I'm Goku.
Look around. This is our escape.
I feel like I'm Goku. I feel like I'm Goku. Goku. Feel like I'm...
I feel kind of sort of bad. The Lizard Green GT3 RS off at Makes and Models is not the new supercar. I don't want to put something in your mind that is not truthful. We actually didn't even see the new supercar today. It was in the other room. But if I would have shown a purple supercar in the back corner, like everybody would have known it, and then the reveal would have been kind of sort of like not as cool. I don't know actually when I'm going to reveal the new supercar because the Supra is taking up so much time right now that I don't know. It might be after SEMA. And on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.